from the kitchen, they're calling you. Whip it up, shake it up, make it new. Voices from the kitchen, sing out loud. Turn it into magic, gather round. Tap, tap, listen close. Bang, bang. Flavors talk that.
Welcome back to Voices from the Kitchen. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to be tackling some Wagyu burgers. Listen, if this is your first time to the channel, listen, like, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff. We do wonderful things here at Nerdy's Umbrella. Alright, and today, it's no different. Here at Voices in the Kitchen, we make meals. We create meals. These meals are family friendly. You can get all of this stuff at your local grocery store. Remember, the recipe is always in the description so that you can follow along as you see as we season up these wonderful Wagyu burgers. Now listen, I got these burgers on sale. It was at Albertsons. It was 50% off, and basically you had 2 days to cook lunch. Guess what? We hadn't had burgers in a while, so why not? Let's go for it, right? All right, look at those burgers. Look how big these burgers are, okay? I just want you to know, I hope they keep their size. I've had some other burgers that you probably seen on the channel, and they didn't keep their size. But look, I have 8 of those bad boys. Now look at that. Oh yeah, wonderful kitchen in the box. Always gonna do what it's supposed to do. And we got some potatoes. I'm not doing French fries. We're doing potatoes with our burgers, with our Wagyu burgers. We're gonna be a little fancy. We're gonna put our pinky finger up, and we're gonna be fancy. You understand what I'm saying? We're gonna be real fancy. Now look at that. This is just the Wagyu. There's no oil in the bottom of the pan. There's no nothing. It's just the bird. You see all of that? See all of that? All of that's in here. All of that. That's just for them full burger. Look at that. Oh, those bad boys are ready. Look at those golden potatoes. Those golden potatoes. I'm not done with it. Woo, hot. Yeah. Sometimes with that, I just kind of forget. All right. Now listen. We are going to cut some potatoes. All right. We're going to cut some potatoes with the nice possible way that we possibly can. But we're not done with them. We're gonna add them up. We're gonna season these up. We're not doing the potato slayer this time. I believe not. But potato slayer is a go-to staple in the home because it just slays your potatoes and make them taste so great. Not an ad, but I just want to let you know, if you haven't tried that seasoning, it is great. You can get it at Walmart. I promise you. So yeah, potatoes cut. You gotta wash this. Okay, we're putting them in a bowl off to the side, and I'll show you what we're gonna do with those bad boys. Now, just understand, those burgers over, they're still cooking. There's that grease, that fat that's coming off of those Wagyu burgers. They're just filling up a little old pot, and I feel so sad about it. I don't know what to do. You know what? Give us their cut. I cut them. We're here, and guess what? There we go. We're gonna put some seasoning on them. There's that black pepper. Okay, we got that in there. Mix that up real good, right? I think I'm going. What is this? What we got right here? What is this? These are Kinders. So, I guess it's like some golden sauce that they have. We put them on there. Little herbs and stuff. We're gonna toss that just a tad bit. I think. Anyway, I'm just gonna throw it in there. There we go. Brioche buns. Brioche. Do you want them buns, Huns? So here we go. All right, good old garlic Parmesan butter, because that's the best way to butter your bread. All right, there we go. The burgers are pretty sure they're done at this point. If I'm toasting the bread and getting everything ready, here we go. We come back at some point. All right, got a little lettuce, got some tomato. All right, got a little ranch bacon. Okay, it's turning out to be a wonderful day. Alright, pay Alexa no mind and what she's doing back there in the back. It's okay. A little pepper jack cheese. Nah, it's not pepper jack cheese. That was just regular single cheese. So as well as it was a refrigerator, so we did what we had to do, just like that. I don't even know, but there you go. Look, that's the burger. Doesn't look the greatest, but I mean it tastes even better. Listen, that's it for me. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe, share.